Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. For those who have been here before, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple Python program using inputs. So what you're going to do first is press File, New File, and then you're going to write name equals input, parentheses, quote, what is your name? Question mark, quote, parentheses. And then after that, you're going to write print, parentheses, quote, hi, comma, name. I'm going to put an exclamation point. Okay, so what this will do is it'll save whatever you've entered as your name. So let's say your name is Bob. Then it's going to save, okay, your name is Bob. That was the answer to what is your name. So then it's going to print, hi, Bob. So you need actually two commas here, separating what you're printing, like as a direct print, and what you're printing here as your answer to your input. So now this will come in handy whenever you want to ask your users for some input for your game or in general for your program. So what we're going to do as usual is File, Save As. I'm going to just name it what is your name .py. So remember, you always want to name it .py because that'll save it as a Python file. So I'm saving that in my Python work. And then I'm going to run it. So now here, it's going to ask me, what is your name? I'll put Python Coder. It's going to say, hi, Python Coder. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. If you have any questions or ideas for new videos, put them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to address them.